schedule.
It's your what?
There's a schedule.
What's on your schedule?
Going at 2.
No, what time did you just say?
40 or 10 or 40.
10 of 40?
Yeah.
How about 6:30?
6:40.
Where are we going to go at 6:30?
Cows.
To get what?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream do you want?
I want strawberry.
What other kinds of ice cream do they make?
They make gumdrop.
Gumdrop.
They make mint. They make apple pie.
And come here. What is the song about a gingerbread man?
He did sound like birthday, oh, so do I, but in a life after. Gingerbread man, how a gingerbread man, we come.
Edith. How does it go?
Ow!
Did you bump her head?
Can't eat that. Two sweet sound like what? Two sweets, two sweets, two sweets. Oh, candy, what do you eat? Two sweets, two sweets. Oh, candy, what do you eat?
What's the song about Truly Scrumptious?